But that depends upon each state. What is important is we as a government has given directions, a very detailed deliberations and directions to all the states that till age 7, the online education will daily be only 30 minutes. For 7 to 10, it will be only 1 hour. From 10 to 20, it will be more. And so, all directions were issued, and accordingly, the education has reached everywhere. Practically, there is no gap now, because those who don't have any, not even TV access, they were provided Mohalla access. And practical teachers have went door to door and taught the students. That's a story of resilience of India, which has showcased India's ability to overcome the pandemic.
Sir, through you, I want to know from the Honorable Minister, what is the outlay for digital education that was sanctioned under the Atmanirbhar project, and what is the outlay for digital education and encouraging digital education under the present budget of the Ministry of Education?
Budget is concerned, it was an evolving budget, and therefore there was no fixed amount given, but more than 600 crores have been incurred as expenditure on digital education from government side. But practically, as it became a community movement, even community radio participated. So, education reached everywhere without advertisement or without any real charges to be paid. And so, basic material preparation and capacity preparation for websites and online education, the expenditure is 600 crore. But I can assure that there will be no dearth of money for this tremendous initiative of Modi government.
माननीय सदस्यगण, आपको देश की जनता ने, सभी माननीयों को देश की जनता ने संवाद करने के लिए, चर्चा करने के लिए भेजा है। प्रश्नकाल सबसे महत्वपूर्ण समय होता है। इस समय आप महत्वपूर्ण विषयों पर जानकारी प्राप्त कर सकते हैं और सरकार की जवाबदेही तय कर सकते हैं। लेकिन माननीय सदस्यगणों, आप अपनी अपनी सीट पर विराजें। आपको देश की जनता ने नारे लगाने और तख्तियां लेकर आने के लिए नहीं भेजा है। फिर मैं आपसे आग्रह करता हूं कि आप अपनी अपनी सीट पर विराजें। माननीय सदस्यगण, आप बहुत वरिष्ठ सदस्यगण हैं। आप जिस तरीके से सदन में नारेबाजी और तख्तियां लेकर आते हैं, ये संसदीय परंपराओं के अनुरूप नहीं है। देश की जनता आपको चुनकर भेजा है। आप माननीय हो, मानिए, जैसा व्यवहार करो। मैं आपसे आग्रह करूंगा कि आप अपनी अपनी सीटों पर जाकर बैठें। सदन की कार्रवाई 5 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
All right, Lok Sabha proceedings that we just dipped into briefly. This is a general discussion which is currently on the union budget, but it is also been on amidst a continuous sloganeering here that we've seen by the opposition parties who continue for a push in further discussion on the farm laws, the farmers' agitation and repeal of the laws. Lok Sabha has been adjourned till further 5 p.m. this evening.